So hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to install Picasso in your TCL TV and any TV. So guys, if you want to install the Picasso, it is very easy. For this guys, first of all you simply go to your app section where you download the application. Like if you have the Play Store, so you just open the Play Store in the if you have the Fire Stick, so you choose the Fire Store. Okay, after that go for the search for the application. So here you search for apps. After that guys, you simply search. First you download a browser. If you have already, so you don't worry. So I'm just show you download any browser. So guys, here I'm just simply search the browser and go for the search. Okay, after that here you see, so I'm downloading this one, so it is very good browser, so I'm already installed, so you just install and open it. After that here you see for the option of search for the enter URL, you go here, and guys here you simply search the picasso.org. okay, so you just go here and select this, select this Picasso, and you simply search it. Now you simply go to the official website of the Picasso. Okay, live TV free shows and 100% working. Simply go here and click on the fast download. Now you choose the any link, so I like to choose the 86 version because it is more stable than the 90. Now your download is installed. Here you see the download is installed, so you just close it and go to your home. When you are on the home screen, you simply go to the settings section. Sorry, again open your Play Store. We need to download one more application, so just go here and search for the file manager. So here you simply search the file manager. So I am simply using file manager.
Results for file manager.
So you download this file manager plus, so you just click it, and again I am already open it. So guys, here when you go, so this is the home main screen of your file manager. So here you see your all downloads, your storage, images, audio, everything. So you just go to the download section, and here is your application. Okay, so before installing the application, you make one more setting. You just go back and simply go to the option of setting. In the settings section guys, move downward and go to the option of apps. In the apps, sorry guys, you choose the option of privacy in your settings. When you choose the option of privacy, so just select it and open it. After that guys, here you see the option of security and the restriction, so just click it, and here is the unknown source, and in the unknown source guys, here you choose your application, which is file manager. After choose this, simply turn it on and you select it. So this is the simple way that you can done these settings. Now you go back, open your file manager, and simply go and click on the application Picasso, and it click on the install. So this is the simple way that you can done. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.